Good evening, my name is Timmy O'Neill, and in this video I'm going to address the question, should you buy, sell, or hold Tesla's stock based on its current price? First of all, guys, I am not a CPA. This is purely recreational investment, and I feel obligated to post this video as I also was recommending to buy into Tesla. If you guys remember, I posted a video like a week and a half ago in regards to Tesla and the potential for growth, along with the ties with silver, because we weren't sure about the market crashing or whatnot. But I absolutely feel obligated to offer this content because I am if you're like me and you're riding the wave from June 7th when shares were $885 a share and they are now $2,000 a share, you're enjoying the same 225% gain that I am. Congratulations. I'm of the thought process it's better to buy and then wait instead of wait and buy. Right now, I am aggressive because everybody's aggressive right now. So I just want to share a few tidbits on, first of all, if you sell. Secondly, if you buy. Or third option, which is hold on to your hats. 225% gain. Be the car. It drives itself. It's a Tesla. So my personal position at $2,000, that's way too expensive. Traditionally, what I've been watching, there's been like a 10 to 20 day surge and drop off. I absolutely have no doubt that with all the clickbait and, Robinhood stocks and people pushing Tesla along with myself, the gains have been viral based on future potential earnings. I watched a video, must have been right after, no, actually it was the beginning of June. It was the very beginning of June. Because it took me a while to buy in, and I wasn't sure because it was a lot of money. But imagine the position you put yourself in. You drop $10,000 into Tesla at $885 with a 225% gain. That's double your money with a little extra. So let's dial in and take this for what it's worth. But this is the advice that I feel obligated to offer because I bought in and I recommended to other people to buy in. So those of you that bought in with me, here's our position. We can sell, we can buy, or we can hold. First of all, if you sell, taxation is me no likey. Muy mal. I don't like to pay taxes. I mean, I have to pay taxes, but I don't want to pay excessive taxes when I shouldn't have to. So sell. Not going with selling. Plus, if I sell now, who's to say it's not going to continue to go up by the end of the year based on its future potential earnings? Because we're just talking about the car company. We're not talking about the other suite of products that Tesla offers. Dialing back in, next subject. If you buy now, me personally, I would say it could be fair. It could be fairly valued right now at $2,000 And the future potential earnings, I mean, they were basing these predictions on a constant rate. And, Elon Musk doesn't help by saying, hey, I predict that we're going to maintain a 25 to 30% gain. Of course, people are going to buy into that. But people aren't investing normally. Normally, when a price falls down on a red day, you buy. You buy lower so that you know that it goes higher. But with the spikes of the last 2 months, people are going all over the place. And for me, if I were to buy more of Tesla, I risk heavy overexposure. So if Tesla, God forbid, goes out of business or declares bankruptcy, I'm worried. So here's the deal. Your final option is to hold. And you got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them. I particularly follow the belief that if you're going to hold, you're going to wait for that red week. You're going to dial in and you're going to say, I really do hope this stock pulls back a little bit before the split. Because remember, Tesla stock is splitting at a 5-to-1 ratio on August 31st. So for me, I'm going to wait for that red week. And if it doesn't go lower than 1,500, I really want to stay in the 1,500 range because I ended up buying more at 1,500. I initially invested, I think it was June 5th. And it didn't clear, I think because I had to wait for my deposit. I forget. Webull, you have to wait a couple days if you make a deposit for it to show up. And I think I had to wait, and it didn't go through till June 7th. Luckily for me, it was only at 885 at that point. But at any rate, I digress. This is another example of punching fear in the face. I took a big risk. And, well, it wasn't even really a big risk. The tech stocks were there. The commodities were selling. By the way, I bought silver right opposite Tesla because I was investing in what I was investing in. It's one of the tactics that I use for a majority of my money moves for wealth. But it works for health, too. If you're going to invest in taking that time to do that run, to lose that weight, investing in those tools that are going to help you do it. Like my Fitbit just broke. It was a total piece of junk the whole time I had it. I ended up paying $25 for it, and then the company that I was with ended up paying for the little Fitbit. Thank God they did, because if I had wasted my money on that piece of junk, I'd have been very upset. It was declared waterproof. The charging system was all convoluted. And I'm digressing again. Away from my analogy. I'm going to dial you back in and say this. Take action in life. And this time, when you're taking action, your action is to sit and wait. I personally am going to hold at the stance that I'm at right now. I'm not going to buy. I'm not going to sell. I don't like paying taxes, and I don't want to risk overexposure. Hopefully this is helpful to you. Remember, this is completely recreational investing, but I'm loving life. Thank you guys for joining my channel. If you've subscribed, watching my video today. If you like this content, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I offer a suite of videos, a few of them on my personal health improvement, related to me starting a business through YouTube online. which I'll be posting another video later this evening. If you guys are interested in how I got started and how easy it is to get started, and what have you been waiting for. The world's telling you a big red flag. Something's wrong. Change life. Find that purpose. Turn your passion into gold. It will you'll reap the benefits. Yeah, so if you like this content, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications when I post new videos. Obviously, if you make a comment below and you've done those 3 things prior, all you have to do is share this content on your social media, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Share my video so people watch it. You'll enter to win my stimulus check whenever they figure out what the amount is and they do decide to give it. I actually did see an update on that. I'm not sure it's a good update or a bad update, but I'm going to dial back in to that and respectfully give you guys the rest of your evening. Keep your eyes peeled for my starting your own business on YouTube. I did a previous video a couple weeks ago. This is going to be a little bit more meat and bones, just because I'm more involved. I'm all in on these videos and providing you guys with content that I think is going to be of value to your community. And right now, I'm all about paying it forward. So keep your eyes peeled for that video. I love you. I appreciate you. We'll be talking soon. Oh, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks with Webull if you haven't yet. You can deposit $100, and that'll give you 2 free stocks. They offer promotions throughout that. I did that back in early June as well. I think I had mentioned that was like my first deposit. Got my 2 free stocks. Both of them were worth over $10. Not great, but one of them could have been over $1,400. That's still effective now. I'll put the link below. You know, if you have any questions or comments, I love feedback. Tell me what you're looking for. I'll find it and get you the answer. If I don't already have it or I've already experienced it, I'll go through that in my Set Fire to Your Purpose, because I'm going to actually do my entire intro for my book, which I haven't done yet. And I'm long-winded again, so I'll be talking to you guys soon. Have a great evening if you don't dial back into my next video.